Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Bosch motor and display model so you download the correct update. This avoids mismatches. Charge the battery to at least 50% and stabilize the bike on a stand, then pair the e-bike Flow app to the display via Bluetooth. Follow on-screen pairing prompts. Once paired, make sure phone and bike stay close and do not interrupt power. This first connection prevents corrupted firmware and speeds the rest of the process. Now you download and stage the firmware in the app. The app will show version and file size so you can verify the correct package. Tap Update and observe progress bars for display and motor modules because Bosch updates modules sequentially. Make sure your phone screen stays on, disable sleep, and keep Bluetooth range under 1 to 2 meters. If the app prompts reboots, allow them. These restarts finalize module flashes and ensure the finish by running the built-in system check and take a short low-power test ride to confirm assist levels and shift behavior are normal. Once stable, restore any custom profiles and recalibrate torque or wheel sensors if the app requests it. If something goes wrong, for example the update fails or Bluetooth drops, fully charge battery, restart phone and bicycle electronics, then retry the update. This simple reset clears transient communication errors and prevents partial firmware installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.